Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about University Paris-Saclay. There are some international master scholarships in IDEX. So we are going to take a look. Academic year 2024-2025 University Paris-Saclay aims to promote access for international students to its master programs, provided by its faculties, component institutions and associated universities, and to make it easier for highly qualified international students to join the university, especially for those wishing to develop an academic project through research up to the doctoral level. So, if you are seeking for the master scholarship, then you can take a look. This scholarship, the scholarships are awarded for 1 or 2 years to students enrolled in master program at University of Paris-Saclay, depending on their admission level and subject to competition of the required number of credits to go through the following year of study. Now the deadlines, we can take a look. Candidate selection deadline by training manager is 30 April 2024. After being selected, deadline for applying for the scholarship is uh, 3 May 2024, and then deadline for reception of the recommendation from your two referees will be 7 May 2024, and announcement of the result will be at the end of June 2024. And pre-selection process, admission to master program does not automatically entitle students to a scholarship. For more information, please see the eligibility criteria. We are going to take a look at eligibility criteria as well. Student eligible for Paris-Saclay University IDEX scholarship will be selected by the admission panel among those students admitted to the Paris-Saclay University master program. Only students who receive an email from Paris-Saclay University inviting them to apply for the Paris-Saclay University IDEX scholarship will be able to submit an application. Okay, and what is the application procedure? Selected student will automatically be sent an email link by an email to online application form. Upon reception of the emails, students wishing to apply will need to complete online application form, provide mandatory the names, contact details of two referees who would be willing to submit a reference for the candidate, and then each of the two referees named by the candidate will be sent a link by the email to online recommendation, and then application file for scholarship will be considered complete when both recommendation form have been submitted by the referees. Okay, you need to provide the details of two referees like your supervisor or any professor in university who would be willing to give a recommendation. And then please note the candidate will not receive message confirming the email is okay. Then what is the eligibility criteria? Students admitted to Paris-Saclay University Master's Program delivered by one of the following institutions. You can take a look at these institutions. The following criteria are eligible to apply: newly arrived international student aged 30 or less during the course of selection year, students of foreign nationality living on the French soil for less than a year, and then students of foreign nationality living on French soil for less than a year taking language classes, students who have lived in France in the past within the framework of mobility program during their studies that did not lead to certification. Okay, and then what is the ineligibility is all students who have been or who are enrolled in French higher education institution during their studies, students who have interrupted their studies for more than 3 consecutive years, and student receiving any other type of funding whose amount is exceed 650 euro per month. If you are among these students, then you are not eligible to apply. Program and fields, all academic fields are eligible for all master program for which University Paris-Saclay is aggregated except for the vocal training are eligible. Then you can take a look about admission to master program does not automatically entitle students to a scholarship. You need to separately apply for the scholarship. And what is the amount of scholarship? The amount of University of Saclay is 10,000 euro per year. It paid by the University Paris-Saclay for the duration of academic year and for a period of 10 consecutive months. Okay, the maximum of 1,000 euro for travel and visa expenses can also be awarded. and will receive their scholarship as well as travel expenses only upon arrival in France. No advance payment can be made. And course attendance and academic mobility, you can take a look, and internships results. And if you will have any question regarding the submission of that application or any other procedures, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly guys subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye.